Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly log in to your ZestioHub account. First, visit nextworldcommunications.com. From the Services section, find ZestioHub and click on it. You'll be taken to the ZestioHub website. Next, click Restaurant Login in the top right corner. First, enter your restaurant code and continue. Then, enter your username and password and click Sign In. You've successfully logged into your ZestioHub account and can now access your restaurant dashboard. Thanks for watching this video. Contact us anytime at 877-331-0757, extension 2. One of our 24/7 operators will open a ticket on your behalf, and someone from our sales department or technical support department will reach back out to you. And don't forget to follow us on social media for updates, tips, and new services from NextWorld Communications.